Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important topic for UPSC Civil Services Examination, Strategy for Science and Technology. Science and technology is an important aspect of the UPSC syllabus, and it is essential for aspirants to have a clear understanding of it. So, let's dive in. First, let's understand why science and technology is important for the UPSC exam. Science and technology is an integral part of our daily lives, and its impact can be seen in various fields such as healthcare, transportation, communication, defense, and many others. The UPSC exam aims to assess the candidate's knowledge and understanding of various issues and challenges in these fields, and how they can be addressed using science and technology. Thus, a good understanding of science and technology is essential for cracking the UPSC exam. Now, let's move on to the important topics that one needs to focus on while preparing for the Science and Technology section of the UPSC exam. These include basic concepts of science and technology, developments in science and technology, applications of science and technology in various fields such as healthcare, transportation, communication, defense, and others, science and technology policies and initiatives by the government, ethical, social, and economic implications of science and technology. Now, let's discuss how to prepare for the Science and Technology section of the UPSC exam. Here are a few tips. Get a good understanding of the basic concepts of science and technology, and build your knowledge from there. Keep yourself updated with the latest developments in the field of science and technology, and their impact on various fields. Analyze case studies related to science and technology, and try to understand the issues and challenges involved, and how they can be addressed. Refer to reliable sources such as NCERT books, newspapers, and government reports for your preparation. Practice previous year question papers to get an idea of the type of questions that can be asked in the exam. To sum up, science and technology is an important aspect of the UPSC syllabus, and it is essential for aspirants to have a clear understanding of it. By focusing on the important topics and following the tips discussed in this video, you can prepare well for the Science and Technology section of the UPSC exam. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.